Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to manage events, updates and notification on Evite. So let's assume you're on the page, you're the Evite page, and you want to manage your Evite notifications. All you have to do is to get to your invitations area, which is this area, and you have to do that by clicking on the profile picture on the top right corner here. Once you click on it, a drop down menu should appear where you can click on my invitations. The page is still loading, so you can't see it now, but I think I should just give it a little time. So on my invitations, okay, this is it here. Click on it, you see my invitations. Then once you have clicked on that, it should appear this way. Now you can actually just click on this manage event. Let me open it in a new tab. So from this area, to check your notification, click on this settings. I believe so this would control the notification or for your guests. So once you've selected that, you are good to go. But then you can also select this option here to actually set the notification. Click on this notification icon here and then click on event notification setting. This will bring us to a new page where we can actually set a reminder for the total amount of days we should actually set the reminders. So schedule up to 2 events reminders to my guests. Yes, you can select the events you want to schedule and the days you want, and you can, but you know that you can only remind them twice, which means you should be very cautious with that. And then once you are done, click save and you are good to go. So this is actually how to get notifications on your, or to set or manage your notification and event updates on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe for more.